These are both my portfolio sites. One took me months to build in WordPress. The other, just a few hours with AI. And I did it in just 3 simple steps. Stick around. I'll walk you through exactly how. Hey, I'm Kel Wu, product manager, AI builder, and no-code experimenter. I love testing tools that save time and unlock new ideas. Recently, I came across Lovable, a platform that uses AI to turn your ideas into fully functional websites in minutes. So I decided to put it to the test. Can it rebuild my portfolio site faster, and maybe even better, than WordPress? Let's find out.
Step 1, the content doc. I didn't start in Lovable at all. I started with the simple doc. It had all my site content laid out. Hero copy, about section, selected work, contact info, and links to my socials. Think of it as the blueprint, the material Lovable would need. We're going to take a page from our prompt format, a one-line summary, list of core features and pages, and a list of design preferences. One-line summary is a design of my existing product management AI portfolio site currently at kelwu.com. List of core pages, basically all the pages that have links across the top of your header. Each one, add a little snippet about what that page contains. Lastly, list of design preferences. I chose dark, modern techie palette, but easy on the eyes and mobile responsive. Large tech and or city background imagery.
Step 2, the prompt. I turned that blueprint into a single prompt inside Lovable. It read like a mini product requirements doc. Once I hit enter, Lovable generates a first draft in minutes.
Let's see what happens. Okay, so let's see what it spit out.
Here's our homepage. And we'll scroll down to the About Me section. Created various cards here. Now remember, all this text is placeholder text. You have the freedom to change it to whatever you want. This is the product management page. And the portfolio page displayed as cards where you can click into each one and see more details. So pretty good start so far. The remaining links, Product by Kel, BJJ, and DJing, those pages have not been created yet. Lovable likes to wait until we are happy with a particular look and feel, and then we can move on to the other pages. Step 3, refining the site. Refinement. This is where it started to feel like my site. I asked Lovable to adjust spacing, tighten the hero text, make the nav sticky, and soften the gradient and more. Small changes, but they made the difference between a generic template and something personal.
Alright, so let's make the page a little bit more personable by adding a profile image. So I am going to attach a profile image of myself and use this prompt. Okay, now for the profile image, I like a gradient backdrop to stretch across the width of the screen behind it. Okay, next I want to replace all these placeholder images with actual images. So I've added this prompt here. Now I will provide attached images and image URLs to replace the corresponding placeholder images. See list below and size to best fit the screen width aesthetically.
All right, let's see how the images appear. Hot tip, if you don't have images, you can always get stock ones from these sites.
Alright, so now let's move on to the rest of the page. I want to add images for the Product by Kel channels and the Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. So, I'm going to ask it to please replace the Product by Kel and BJJ placeholder images with the attached. Now let's try a layout where my profile image is side by side the header portion of the site. Nice. Now let's move on to the portfolio page. I want to give it more context. So the portfolio page will function as a gallery of projects and will allow visitors to click into a project to view a standalone page with more details. We will start with the Garden Gather Marketplace. I will attach a series of slides in numerical order that I like converted to a scrollable carousel on the page. Okay, so let me go ahead and find those files. I'll go ahead and drag it up here. All right, all those are uploaded, and now let's put in the request. Okay, we can see here that it's added this Garden Gather Marketplace into the gallery. I click on View Details, and it should take me to the standalone page with a little blurb, and all of my slides are now in a carousel. Now let's move on to the Product by Kel page. As you can see, nothing has been built yet. Lovable was waiting for me to finalize the look and feel before it moves on to building these pages. So let's put in this prompt here. But let's move on to the Product by Kel page. This is an overview of my various Product by Kel channels on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Please embed this YouTube intro of the channel. I pasted the link there with a short blurb about what Product by Kel is about, followed with icon links to all channels: YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. All right, let's take a look. All right, this video's in bed.
Hey, I'm Kel Wu, and welcome to...
Awesome. Let's scroll down. We've got the little blurb here, and we've got the icons. Looks like TikTok is a little bit hard to see, so we can go ahead and refine that. Now onto the last DJ page. So I have a prompt prepared here. Now onto the DJing page. This will be an overview page of my DJ hobby along with my attached logo. I also need my SoundCloud page link there that features my mixes embedded onto the page. Below that, add a form for inquiries and bookings with fields for email, name, phone number, type of event, additional details, date selector, and start and end time selector. So let me go ahead and attach the logo here. And go ahead and pop that off. All right, let's take a look. Got my logo here, a little blurb, some cards for some details about DJing, latest mixes. Oh, you have not provided a valid SoundCloud URL. Book your event. We got a full form here. This is awesome. So we'll go ahead and fix this URL. Okay, so first I'll take a screenshot of this blank section of the page. And I'll paste it in here to provide a context. Looks like the SoundCloud page is not displaying. per the screenshot. It should display the content from, and I'll go ahead and paste in the SoundCloud URL right here. Let's do chat first to see what it will find out before we take any action. Okay, so it looks like the URL is not the correct format for embedding a user's profile. It's going to do some research on how to get the right HTML code. Okay, so the solution is to fix the SoundCloud format. It should be like this. Update the proper SoundCloud widget player URL format to this. All right, let's implement the plan. Look at that. Now let's just hit play. All right, so let's do a recap of what our new redesigned website looks like. Here is our homepage. I can scroll down to the About Me section. It's got a little blurb with supporting imagery. Let's move on to product management. We've got all these various cards here. I'll probably add some more imagery later. Onto the portfolio page. Right now, most of these cards are placeholders, but we have this as a working standalone project with the carousel. Onto product by Kel. Got the YouTube video.
Hey, I'm Kel Wu, and welcome to
embedded here, along with the blurb and hopefully working links. Awesome. Onto Jiu-Jitsu. Got cards here with a gallery of images. And lastly, the DJ page. We've got a working embedded SoundCloud page. And event booking form. It probably doesn't have context as to what email address it should go to, so that's another thing I'll add through the prompt. But this is our new page.
So there you have it. 3 steps to rebuild my portfolio using AI. WordPress gave me full control, but Lovable gave me speed and iteration. The question is, which one's better going forward? Drop your thoughts in the comments, WordPress or Lovable, and I'll share the final version once I decide. And if you like experiments like this, hit subscribe. Let's build better together.